and we have to announce my new creation today. This is the creation. You cannot see it because there's no light, but Jesus said, let it be light. And
you put it there?
we have the torch, and now we are waiting for the wind to...
May I?
Yes. We need a little bit more windy weather, or we can reduce the weight here. We can take off some of these. You see, if we take some of these, it will be more sound. If we want it more quiet, then we need more of these pipes. Tomorrow,
Do they have to be specific material?
these are very simple. If they are aluminum, they will be better. If they are copper, they will be the best. But we are cheap as Joe, so we did it from a... Okay, now we have to take the torch to show you the actual contraption. And they're very nice. So that's it.